Good morning, guys. We are in Baja, as you can see. I had a conflict of interest because we got sponsored by GlueTread, and we're supposed to show you guys how this kit can work to save you in a remote situation, which we're not in yet, but we're about to be. But BFG just gave me brand new tires, and the last thing I want to do is punch a hole in my sidewall on purpose just to show you guys that these patches work. This is a shitty tire. These guys are on it right now. Got this baby, and now we're gonna go wreck it. I think this counts as remote. I guess I gotta pop this tire. Get over here, too. I think that counts as a flat tire. See what GlueTread's got for us here. These are for the plugs. So this one bores out the hole so that you get a good clean edge to seal to. And then this pushes in the plug. We'll do this in a minute. Instructions explaining how to do this. Here's a bunch of plugs. These are big rubber patches for the sidewall, which really sets GlueTread apart. Nobody else is trying to patch sidewalls like this. Most of my patches that I do in Baja are sidewall. I very rarely get something in the tread. And in the States, they just won't even patch that for you at a tire shop. So having this is amazing. These are on-the-fly valve stem replacements. If you rub off your valve stem, this would be more for like rock crawler guys. We're riding in a Raptor, so rock crawling in a Raptor is like rock crawling in a waterbed. We're not gonna do that. Here's the glue, which we will use some magic secret potion. See that? Get it to where it's almost all the way in. And I'm gonna pull out fast. That's plugged. That plug will last forever. What we're gonna do is we're gonna take the knife and open up the gash in the tire, and we're gonna stick glue along the inside edge of both sides of your gash. And then you let that set. Now we wait. Lightly sand any excess glue off of the outside of the tire here after our first application. This is all over the place. It says stop, not too much glue. So they want you to use this pattern when you're putting the glue on the patch. And we need a patch that covers at least a ½ inch radius around the knife cut that we just put into our tire. Okay, so I'm applying pressure. I'm supposed to hold this for 1 minute or 3 minutes or something like that. Now we're supposed to wait 10 minutes. These are spicy. We're airing up. I don't see any leaks. So we got 2 holes and 1 gash. So far, so good. How much I believe in these patches, I didn't bring a spare tire on an over 2,000 mile Baja trip at all. So these things work, and they save you a lot of weight in the truck, especially if you're loaded up. I mean, if you blow a tire, like if you rip a tire up on the highway, then I'm gonna feel like an idiot for not bringing a spare tire. But this works 90% of the time, and this will get you out to get a new tire put on in the local towns. All right, well, we made it off the mountain, which is super cool. It seems to have worked. I think now the responsible thing would be to go to a tire shop, get your tire swapped out, but it's holding, so we're just gonna go get some coffee because we're tired, so.